Spectrum Mobile offers flexible activation options to get your service up and running quickly. Whether you're switching from another carrier or setting up a new line, understanding your options will help ensure a smooth activation process. Spectrum Mobile supports two activation methods. A physical SIM card is the traditional option, a small chip that you insert into your phone. It works with all compatible devices, but requires physical handling. An eSIM is a digital SIM embedded directly in your device. It offers instant online activation without needing a physical card, making the setup process faster and more convenient for supported devices. eSIM technology is supported on many newer smartphones. Apple iPhone 12 series and later models include eSIM capability, as do Samsung Galaxy S24 series and other select devices. This technology is becoming standard in most new smartphones. If you're bringing your own device to Spectrum Mobile, there are two key requirements. First, your phone must be unlocked from your previous carrier. Second, you'll need your device's IMEI number, which is a unique identifier found in your phone's settings under About. If you want to keep your existing phone number, you'll need to port it from your previous carrier to Spectrum Mobile. This process transfers your number while maintaining service continuity. For number porting, you'll need your account number and transfer PIN from your previous carrier. Important, don't cancel your old service until the porting process is complete, as this ensures uninterrupted service during the transition. Spectrum Mobile provides an online activation dashboard accessible through the My Spectrum app or website. This guided interface walks you through choosing your activation method, entering device information, porting your number if desired, and completing the entire activation process step by step. Now that you understand your activation options and requirements, you're ready to begin the activation process. The next step will guide you through the actual activation procedure and testing your new service. Now that you understand the basics of SIM cards and number porting, let's walk through the actual activation process step by step. First, if you're using a physical SIM card, you'll need to insert the Spectrum Mobile SIM card into your phone. Make sure your phone is powered off before inserting the SIM. For eSIM activation, Spectrum Mobile offers three convenient methods. The fastest is usually scanning a QR code, but you can also manually enter activation details or use the My Spectrum app. Next, sign into your Spectrum Mobile account. You can do this through the My Spectrum app on your phone or by visiting Spectrum's website on any device with internet access. Once signed in, navigate to the activation dashboard. Look for an Activate button and click it. The dashboard will guide you through the remaining steps with clear on-screen prompts. For eSIM activation, ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection throughout the process. This is essential for downloading your eSIM profile and completing the activation successfully. After activation is complete, make a test call to confirm your service is working properly. Try calling a friend or family member or dial 611 to reach Spectrum customer service. The activation process typically takes 10 to 15 minutes to complete. However, if you're porting your number from another carrier, this can take longer, sometimes up to a few days. If you encounter any issues, contact Spectrum Mobile customer service at 1-833-224-603 for assistance.